Found CHW files alongside a Windows help file and wondering what they do? These are index files that make searching within help systems fast and accurate. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these compiled HTML help index files work. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one Premier CHW file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. CHW files are compiled HTML help index files that accompany CHM compiled HTML help files, providing pre-built search indexes for fast full-text searching within Windows help documentation. They contain word index data with topic mappings that enable the search tab functionality in the Windows HTML help viewer. CHW compiled index files use a binary format, storing tokenized word indexes with document reference mappings, frequency data, and positional information. They are generated by the HTML help compiler or created dynamically by the HTML help viewer on first search, enabling rapid full-text queries across help documentation topics. The optimal viewer for the CHW format is generally considered to be Windows operating system from Microsoft Corporation. Only a dedicated viewing tool can accurately confirm the integrity of the file's content. Windows provides no real preview, so using the index requires the appropriate catalog software. To force access, right-click your CHW file and select Open with. If Windows operating system is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If you still cannot open your CHW file, that is okay. Given the proprietary nature of this CHW file, basic errors are the norm. We just need to confirm a few specific settings before proceeding to the actual fix. First, understanding index files. CHW files are automatically generated when a user performs the first search in a CHM help file. They reside in the same directory as the CHM file or in the user's local settings folder. Deleting them is safe as they are regenerated automatically on the next search operation with a brief indexing delay. Next, rebuilding indexes. If help file searches return incorrect or incomplete results, delete the associated CHW file and reopen the CHM help file. Perform a new search and the help viewer rebuilds the search index from the CHM content. This resolves issues caused by corrupted or outdated index data that may produce stale search results. Finally, working with CHM Help. Open the parent CHM file by double-clicking it to launch the Windows HTML Help viewer. Navigate content using the Table of Contents, Index tab, and Search tab. The CHW file supports the search functionality. If the CHM file does not open, right-click its Select Properties and click Unblock to enable viewing of downloaded help files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.